Okay. Yeah, good afternoon. I will take us on introduction to forex trading for those of us that are very new in the world of online forex trading. Uh, Let me bring up on. First of all, you're welcome. This is a short note that will give us an overview of what forex trading is all about. For those looking for how to learn and trade forex online, if you are completely new to the world of online forex trading, I think this course will help you to understand very well how forex works and how to set up a forex account and how to start making trade. Then, of course, you know the forex trading and commodity trading is the largest and most liquid market in the world, which has become the main source of stable income for many forex traders and online entrepreneurs around the world. But it's unfortunate that a lot of people need to understand and know how they can go about forex trading online. According to the Bank of International Settlements, foreign exchange trading is increasing every day with a total volume of $5.2 trillion per day. I remember when we started forex trading, the average volume of forex trading then was about $4 trillion a day. Today, as I speak to you, it is currently $5.3 trillion per day. To put it together, within an hour, there's an average trading volume of about 220 billion dollars per hour. Then the foreign exchange market is largely made up of institutional investors like corporate organizations, government, banks, as well as currency speculators. Roughly, the impact in forex market is roughly about 90% in volume generated by speculators, making it one of the best and the most liquid paid currency in the world. Then, unlike the stock and the future market, that has a central point where you can go, you see the people trading forex. The online forex trading is not like that. It's not something you see, you have a physical stuff like that, or a physical house, or a particular place there. You go say, okay, this is what is called forex, this is where they do forex. No, the foreign exchange market is an over-the-counter market. It is decentralized. It is done through what we call electronic channels. So banks from Hong Kong to Zurich, from London to New York, though most investors are familiar with the stocks, they are unaware how small in volume it is in relation to forex trading. Let's have a look at this diagram. You will see that the volume of market in forex trading industry, about $5.3 trillion. This is the future market. This daily analysis of the volume of trades that occurs within these markets in a day. This is future market. The total volume is about $437 billion per day. This is equity market for those trading in equity, about $191 billion per day. This is the stock exchange, the New York Stock Exchange, about $28 billion per day. Now this is forex. The forex market has about $5.2 trillion per day. This is the highest, most tradable market in the world. In this diagram now, it will take like 30 days of trading on the New York Stock Exchange to equal to 1 day trade volume in the forex market. But the reality about forex trading is that a larger percentage of people fail woefully, maybe due to lack of computer knowledge and lack of understanding of how the market operates. What makes the difference is that we will show you step by step. I will take my time and explain to you in a common language where you get to understand me better. How you can start trading forex and how you can set up a forex trading account and how you can make your first trade. I will take my time, take, talk to you step by step You will learn about the forex market, the terminologies, and how to prepare for your first trade. Of course, this business is not for you if you are greedy. It's not for you if you are not ready to learn. And it's not for you if you are not ready to grow income over time. It is not a get rich quick business as many thought. Although in forex market, it's possible that you can gain a lot of money. You can turn $1,000 to $10,000 per day. You can turn $10,000 to $1 million per day. It's possible, but that is not a strategy. It's not how to trade. Then people that can trade forex commodity market are but bankers, treasurers, finance managers, directors, businessmen, everybody like businessmen, professionals, industrialists, investors, corporate executives, decision makers, politicians, newsmen and economists. Under this area, newsmen, politicians, and economists, it's important for uh, you to understand that what you are trading in forex and commodity market, they are economic factors. The forces that drive all this market are economic factors, and which has a lot of influences from politicians. So any good politicians that understands the market very well, understand the implication of political policies, we know that it has a lot to do in economic trading, like the currency of a particular zone, the commodities of a particular zone, all the stocks and all of that. Political decisions affect it a lot. And then the newsmen, they're always there with fundamental news and the political news and the economic and news. So this set of people can actually do well in forex trading. Then the next set of people that can do well in trading is analysts, both political analysts, economic analysts, and financial analysts, asset management companies, oil and gas companies, and oil workers. These people, they will do very much well in forex trading. Then let's go to the point. What is forex trading all about? What is forex trading all about? First of all, I would like to let you know that what is forex trading all about. Then forex trading refers to the exchange of one currency with another in order to make profit. You must use a particular currency and exchange it to another currency in order to make profit. Assuming you are trading dollar and euro, you got to use euro to buy dollar at a particular point or a particular price. If the value of dollar appreciates from that point that you bought it to a higher price, that's your profit. That is all about forex trading or foreign exchange. Then, when I say opposite sequence, it means that you must first be in possession of a currency to another. You must first be in a possession of a currency. Use it to buy a certain amount of another currency. Wait for that currency to add value. Then re-exchange it, the second currency to the first one, getting more of the first currency in value. That is all about forex trading. When you exchange the currency, you get the value of it in in returns when that currency add value. Of course, as the added value is going to result to profit for you. Another explanation is that in online forex trading, this system is performed through a certain technology such as trading platform. This is a sign of trading platform. It is also highly automated and occurs very fast. The process is a mirror of what goes on in offline currency exchange. So it is also done on a much larger scale, as this process includes all traders in the market on a global scale. That is forex for you. This is the example of forex trading platform. The online forex trading also include trading on energies such as crude oil, gas, gold, commodities, indices, and some stocks. The same method of profit in currency is also applied on these instruments. Then traders who are familiar with oil and gas can choose to trade oil and gas instead of trading currencies. Example is oil workers and oil companies. It's not that you must trade currency. In case you are familiar with any other instrument, you can trade because in forex market, there are a lot of instruments to trade, such as these. These are all instruments you can trade in forex market. We have a lot of major currencies such as US dollar, Euro, JBP, JPY, Australian dollar. This is just to mention but a few. We also have commodities like gold, silver, crude oil, coin, coffee, and several more. And in the stock, we have over 50 of the biggest and most interesting companies in the world, which from varieties of industries are available for trade too. Among them are Google, Deutsche Banks, Coca-Cola, Yahoo, Bitcoin, Facebook, Nokia, and many other stocks. These are stocks that we trade in the market. Then, what a beginner must know before going into online forex. What does a beginner who may have faint ideas as how currency are exchanged with a local bureau de change operator have to know about the way the offline uh, forex market operates? You must understand the difference between a bureau de change operator, local exchanges, those you see on the road, and the online forex trading. That's a huge difference. Then the foreign exchange market came about in the 90s and has since then become one of the most largest financial markets. Today, the foreign exchange market has daily turnover of over $4 trillion, making it larger than both the stocks and the bond market combined. At first, the forex market was reserved for those with huge capital, such as major banks and larger corporations. As time progressed, similar companies, hedge funds, and individual investors started to play a larger role in the market. Today, practically anyone with capital or a computer with internet connection can engage in forex trading. It is not it's no longer for big companies or big banks that can trade forex these days. But one thing you must know in forex trading is that every currency listed in the forex market is a floating currency. What this means is that its value is determined by the market forces, and this is what makes the value of that currency subject to change. What I mean by market forces is the demand and supply in the market determines the price of the product you are buying in the market. It determines the price of the currency you are buying. That is what I mean by market forces. The change in value of any floating currency is a continuous process. It changes every day, every minute, every hour. Currency changes, the value of it based on the economic activities, the forces behind the demand and supply determines how the currency changes. Then the spot market is also open 24 hours a day and 5 days a week. It opens on Sunday night, closes on Friday night. There are currencies whose value are either fixed to a single value or within a tight range by the government of the country of that currency. Such currencies are fixed and are not suitable in forex trading. Example of such currencies are Chinese yuan and Nigerian naira. Currencies are listed, priced, and traded in pairs. Currencies are listed, priced, and traded in pairs because what is traded in forex market is the change in value of one currency related to another currency. Then, how to access the forex market? You must have a computer with internet connection. You must be computer literate. Then you must have a capital. For example, $100 for micro account, $500, $1,000, $50,000, $1 million, and above. Any amount you can afford, you can start according to your capital. Then you cannot access the forex market directly. Rather, a trader who needs to a trader will need to open a forex account with a forex broker. You can visit this website for proper understanding of how to open a forex account. Then the forex broker will provide a platform, provide a fair and balanced yield for all participants, and generally provide the market tools for traders. This is the example, the overview, the look of forex trading platform, which will be provided to you by your broker, and you must have computer to download such application in your system to enable you trade. Remember, you cannot access the market directly. You access the market from a forex broker by opening a forex trading account, just like when you open a bank account. Again, currency and commodity prices and pairing. This is very important. The currencies are traded in pairs. Like I said earlier, you must use dollar to buy another currency or use naira to buy another currency for you to gain profit. And you have two sets of price, either buying price or selling price. Commodities, indices, stocks are not traded in pairs, but it has two sets of price too. There are bid price, that's the buying price, and there are also the ask price. Is called that's bid price, that is selling price, and also the ask price, the buying price. So a typical quote for the euro against the US dollar will be displayed as follows. For example, euro versus dollar. Maybe the selling price may be 1.0345, while the buying price will be 1.0348. That is what we mean by bid and the ask price. In this example, the currency paid is Euro USD. The bid price is 1.0345. That's the sale price, and the buying price, that is ask price, is 1.0348. As you can see, 4548. 48 is higher than 45. This is the buying price. This is the bid price. Look at another example of it. Euro USD. This is the bid price. This is the buying price. For example, this is 1.2712. This is 1.2713. The movement from 1.2712 to 1.2713 is called 1 pip movement. Assuming the price of euro and dollar move from 1.2712 to 1.2713, 1.2714, 1.2715, that is 2 or 3 pips movement. And on these pips is how you measure your profit as well as loss. As euro US is listed, euro is the first before the dollar, right? Then on this note, euro is base currency here. Euro is the base, the first currency. And the US is the quote or the counter currency. As you can see how they are listed, this is the base, this is the quote. Generally, any currency listed first at left hand side of any page is called base currency, while the second currency is called quote or counter currency. This is the example. This is the base currency. This is a counter currency. In addition to this, when you place a buy or on any of the currency or any commodity you are trading, it means that you are purchasing that currency in appreciation. When you place buy, it means that you are purchasing the currency in appreciation. And if the value of that particular currency appreciates in price, you gain profit. You gain profit. Then when you place a sell order on any of the currency pairs or commodity you are trading, it also means that you are purchasing the currency based on the price of depreciation. If the value of the base currency or commodity drops, then you have gained profit. Remember, when you want to trade in any of this currency or any of these commodities, either you buy or you sell. This area is very important. You just have to understand it. You just have to understand it very well. You just have to understand it. I said when you place a buy order on any of the currency pairs or any commodity, it means that you are purchasing that currency in appreciation. Then, if the value of that currency or the commodity appreciates in price, you gain profit. When you place a sell order on any of the currency pairs or commodity you are trading, it also means that you are purchasing the base currency or the commodity in place of depreciation, in the place of falling in value and the falling in price. Then if the value of the base currency or the commodity you are trading dropped, you also get profit. In other words, you make profit in two ways. When you sell, you make profit. When you buy, you make profit. This is an overview of the market chart. As you can see, this is the overview of the market chart here now. This white one, this white chart is a sign of a market coming down, while this green chart here is a sign of a market going up. This, as you can see, this is the white, it's a sign of market coming down. This is the green chart, it's a sign of market going up. Market came down, it goes up, came down to this point, goes up, came down to this point, and goes up, goes up, goes up, and came down small. Assuming you are watching live market, this point is the price of this commodity, and the currency we are watching the chart is Euro USD. Euro USD, look at it here, Euro USD. So assuming this is a live market, this is where you watch the price. Currently, it is trading at 1.38297. This is the chart you are watching. Then let me also let you know about the meaning of this chart. This chart is called also candlesticks. They are candlestick charts. As you can see, they are in candle form. The green candle is for buy, or it's called bullish. While the white candle is for sell, it's called bearish. So when the price of euro is going up, it will be forming bearish. Sorry, when the price of euro is going up, it will be forming bullish. The market will be forming the green candle and it will be going up. Take note, when the price of euro is going up, it will be forming bullish and it will be forming the candlestick, the green candlesticks. Then when the price of euro and dollar is coming down, it will be forming bearish, the white one will be forming. And at this point in price, you will discover that the price will be coming down from 1.3829 to 1.3828, 1.38, 1.38239 to 1.38238, down. Why, if the market is going up, it will be forming 1.3823, 1.3824, 1.3840, 1.3841, 1.3842, and it will be going up. And this green chart will at the same time going up together. That is a sign of up trade. And when the market is appreciating to up trade, is a sign of buying trade. Any trader have to pull his trigger to buy at that point in time. Then we have forex trading hours. The forex trading hours, as I told you, the market runs for 24 hours. This is because there are 4 major trading sessions, which most traders' activities, it runs for over 8 to 10 hours period. There are periods when the trading activities and at least 2 sessions will overlap, producing the period of maximum market volatility. A situation where we have one zone opening for one business day, that may be Tokyo or Asia market, followed by the London session, that or European market, and finally the New York session, give an almost continuous state of forex trading activities over to a 24 hours period, commencing on Sunday 9 p.m., sometimes 10 p.m. too, and ending on Friday 9 p.m. and sometimes 10 p.m. too on Friday. What I'm saying in essence is that we have 4 major trading sessions. We have European trading session, we have London trading session, we have New York trading session, we have Asia trading session. New York trading session opens by 1:30 p.m. European and London session is in the morning, Nigerian time, morning time, like 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. And the Asia market is in the midnight. That's when the market opens. The market opens and they overlapped. It's not that after this market close, the market will be steady. No, the market overlapped. Assuming European market open by 7, it will trade till 1:30 when the New York market will open and the market will overlap each other. Then, how to earn in online forex trading? How will you earn money in the trading? Let me tell you a few ways you can earn money. You can earn money in forex trading in many ways, but I will just discuss with you 4 major ways. You can earn money as a trader in the market, that's trading for yourself. Then you can earn money by following a trade done by professionals, such as portfolio managers and individuals. You can make money. In this way, you don't need to trade by yourself if you don't have knowledge. All you need to do is to open a forex account, fund the account, and register as register your trade as a follower. Then you can also earn money by investing your fund under a forex broker that has a PAM management system. PAM management means a percentage allocation management modules. That's the meaning of PAM. So you can make money in two ways: by being a trader, following a trade, and investing in the PAM. By using PAM, you share profit with your trader or portfolio manager, while the fund will be in your regulation and in your broker's administration. This PAM is not a manual stuff. It is done electronically. It's not that you use calculator to calculate your profit. Everything is done automated by a broker. It's a special service for fund managers designed by the broker to ensure that there's transparency and all of that. Then you can equally make money in forex market by offering broker services for traders. This requires you a long process and many legal certification, such as license, having a license from global authorities like Eurozone. This for people that want to become a forex broker, then they can go in for this calling. Then now I believe a lot of us must have uh, must have understand the basic knowledge about how online trading works. So I'm gonna proceed by letting us know how to open a forex account and how you can continue with practice account and how you can go further to place your first trade. And most importantly, I would like to explain to you on this page how you can how PIPS works and explain to you the meaning of leverage. The meaning of leverage. Then just give me some few minutes. I will open another page, another folder where I will show you practical ways of how you can trade forex. Just give me some time. I will open a new page where you know how to trade forex. Yeah, this is the forex website, the instaforexnaira.com. Assuming you are new, let me show you how you can download the forex trading platform in your system. When you open our site, you scroll down to this point. You scroll down. This is a process of downloading the platform. This is the process of downloading platform. You can scroll down. You can scroll down. Scroll down to this point. Scroll down to this point. Scroll down to this point. Okay. I'm going to show you how you can install the platform on your mobile phone and in your system. I'm going to show you. Yeah. Yeah. I'm going to show you. When you open our website, you scroll down to this point. This is the process of downloading the trading platform. To install it in your system, your laptop, your desktop, uh, or your mobile phone, you click on download trading platform. It will load and download. As it opens, you have to run the other system. Then you click on download trading platform. You click on this point, download MetaTrader 4. For those using laptop, you click on download MetaTrader 4 platform. This is process of installing the platform. Remember, you can equally trade on the web, our web trading terminal. For those that don't have the platform, you can click on this point. We have web trading platform that doesn't require you downloading it in the system. Then you click on this point to install the platform, to download, and to download for you. Download for you, Aaron. Then you now have to open it accordingly. After downloading the platform and making your installation correctly, it will appear in this form. It will appear in this form. Yeah, this is trading platform. This is the trading platform. This is a trading platform. Let me show you something. This platform is called MetaTrader 4 platform, especially for Windows. For those using phone, they will go to Google Store and install MT4 into their Google Store. But I want to use this one to give us some illustration. As the platform is downloaded, it will appear in this form. It will appear like this. The first time, it will appear like this. Then what you're gonna do, you click here to maximize the platforms. As it is maximized, all the currencies or instruments you are trading will be under. They will be under. This is euro, dollar. This is their chart. This is USD Swiss francs. This is their chart. This is Britain pound and USD. This is their chart. This is USD JPY. It's not well in order. I want to close it. This is a stock, hardware packer company. As you can see, it's not a currency. This is a chart. This is gold. This is gold. This is gold chart. This is the current price of gold at the moment. This is crude oil. This crude oil. This is the current price of crude oil is $45.09 per barrel at the moment. This is natural gas. This is their chart. This is the current price of natural gas. As you can see, it is 3.0085 per barrel. This is Nigerian naira. For those trading Nigerian naira, the current price of Nigerian naira is $347 per naira. This is Nigerian naira. This is their chart. Nigerian naira. This is their chart. This is US JPY. This is their chart. In case you want to make the chart bold, you go here. You go on this point. You click on bold to make it bold. You can click here to change the chart to candlesticks. As you can see, we have bar chart, we have line chart, we have candlestick chart. This is Euro Britain pound. You go here, you make it bold, the one you want. Then accordingly, then we have 1 hour, we have 4 hour chart, we have 1 day chart, we have 1 week chart, we have 1 month chart. This is chart. Then For you to check your connection status, you come here. This is assuming you're not connected to internet. Here will not be the status will not be reading. It will be zero. It will be showing you no connection. But at this point in time, there's connection here. Then this is where you see your balance. There's a balance of $5,000 here. You have to put it on trade. See your balance, $5,000 balance. This is the history. You want to see a history. There's a deposit of $5,000 here. Then these are the currencies you have to trade accordingly. Then here is the bid and the ask, the market watch. You can watch the market. As you can see now, this is the USD Swiss francs. This is the market. The market came down from this point to this point. The market came down a lot from very high side to this point. Currently, the price of USD and Swiss francs is 0.09586. Meaning that for you to have $1 with US Swiss francs, you have to pay 0.09586. This is the gold. For those trading in gold, this is the current price of gold. One ounce of gold is $1,241 currently now. The market came down from this point down to this point. Now it's gradually going up. Now, so if assuming someone buy gold at this point at $1,241 per ounce, and the price appreciates from here from this point to $1,243 5 cents per ounce to 1,244, the person is going to make a lot of profit. You're going to make a lot of profit. Then let me quickly, this is where you check your name. For example, the owner of this account is Bright Nwadike. This is the account number 67267656. This is the other account number. This account has, let me check the amount available in this account. The account has, I've logged in the account. As you can see, the account is logged. I've logged in a new account. Currently, we have on this account, okay, $5,000 account here. Okay, it's loading. The account has opened. Now this account, you have $622 account on this one. This is the balance. If you want to check the history of what happened in the account, then you can go down here. You get the history of what actually happened. They can discover that there was a trade of Euro USD that gained $122. That gives the profit of $122 profit. The startup capital was $500, making the balance to be $622. This is how to understand the chart, make proper chart analysis. Then how to open a demo account. You go to file. You click on open account. This is not a live account. This is a demo account, a practice account. You make sure you put the you highlight the demo server, open demo server. You go down here. You make sure you put it on demo 2. Make sure you highlight the demo box. Then you fill in your name. You can fill in your name. Maybe Abiola Sani Mike. You put in your phone number, your email, put in your phone number. The standard means dollar account. Then let me explain leverage. Leverage for all of us. Like I said earlier, access to forex market before was done by corporate institutions, big companies, because of they had the money, they have enough balance and enough capital to trade in the market. Because of the technology, individuals like retailers can participate in the forex market, but they cannot do that without having a leverage or without giving leverage. The leverage here is like a ratio given to you by a broker to enable you to trade. With the leverage, your $5,000 can trade in the market. Your $100 account can trade in the market. Yeah, $10,000 account can trade in the market. Your $100,000 account can equal trade in the market. So deliver is a ratio given to you by a broker to enable you trade. Assuming you have $1,000 account, assuming you have $1,000 account, and you choose $100, 1.1 leverage with our broker with us, it means that your $1,000 is trading $10,000 in capacity. It implies that if you are if you are very good in trading or the market is very volatile in your favor, it's possible for you to gain $10,000 profit per day. But it is always advisable not to go for higher leverage. But one funny thing in the market is that when you have a smaller amount, it will require you choosing high leverage. And the high leverage can lead you to a higher profit. It can probably lead you to a higher loss if you are not careful and if you are not a very good trader. And remember, one of the best trading strategies is money management strategy. Don't be greedy in the market. Don't expect to gain everything at the same time in the market. Again, assuming you have $10,000 account, $10,000 account, you choose 1:2 leverage. It means that your $10,000 will be trading $200,000 in capacity. $200,000 in capacity. So you will have the opportunity of doubling $10,000 to $200,000 account. But this shouldn't trip you. This shouldn't make you to be greedy in the market. The essence of leverage is to enable you trade in the forex market. It is not to for you to abuse the leverage and want to turn $1,000 to $1,000,000 a day. It is risky. It is risky. It is risky. Assume you want to start with a $1,000. This is demo account opening. $1,000. You come in here, accept the condition. You go down here, then you click finish. The account number has been given to you. Then it has logged in. This is demo practice account. You just have to understand that I've not showed us how to open a live account. I'm just showing you how to open a demo account and how to understand the platform. Now the account is logged in. Look at it here. Abiola, Sani, Mike. It has been opened. This is the balance of $10,000. This is a practice account. Then assuming the gold is going up at this time, the gold, I'm watching gold market, gold is going up. Assuming I want to buy gold, I'll come down here. I'll click on new order. I will select my lot size. This is a lot size I have to select. This lot size is what determines how your profit runs. Assuming you select one lot size and I select 8 lot size, I will not be gaining at the same time the same uh, measure of profit with you. Somebody who is trading with one lot size will be gaining a small value than somebody who's trading with 8 lot size. You can equally type a lot size by yourself. Assuming I want to trade gold now, I can go to 1.00. As the gold is going up, I click on buy. Buy. As you can see, the order is executed. I have placed a buy order on gold. I'm trading gold. This is gold. This is the gold chart. They have given me order to buy gold at $1,242 per 63 cents per ounce at this point. So if the price of gold appreciates from this point where I place the trade above, I will be making profit. This is the charges charge me. This is the charges they are giving to me for placing the order on gold. Then placing the order on gold. Assuming now I Okay. Assuming I want to trade euro dollar, for example, I want to trade this currency. Remember, the price of this currency is very down. It came down from this point to this point. So there's possibility of this currency going up. So what I will do, I'll come down here, I place a buy order. I'll select my lot size. I may select for lot size because I have about $10,000. I click here. The order is executed. I'll place another order here to buy Swiss francs. Then this is where you can close your profit. Assuming I want to close this trade, I'll go down here. I'll double click this point. This window will come up. This window will come up. I click on this point. My order is closed. As you can see, my order is closed. So I have only this order now, which is gold. This is the gold. I purchased gold at this point, and if the price of gold keep appreciating, I'll keep making profit. If the price keep going up, as you can see, the market is moving up. It's moving up. It started going up from this point. It's moving up to this point. I'll be making profit. As you can see, I'll be making profit. Then, uh, assuming you have account already, this is where to log in account. When you click on file, you click on login to trading account. Then you go down here. You type in your account number. You type in your trader's password. You select your server appropriately. Then you log in. Then then you log in. Let me quickly show us how to open a live account. How to open a Forex live account. What I did here now is to show you how to create demo or a practice account. Let me show us how to open a live account. If you want to open a live account, go to the website. Go to the website. Go to the website. This is the website www.instafs naira.com. This is how to open a live account. Then you click on open live account. You click here, open live account. This is how to open a live account. You have different kind of payment methods. Pay online. You can pay MasterCard. That is if you want to fund your account. Open live account. It is loading. Live account is loading. Live account is loading. Then this is the live account form. How to open a live account. You come down here. You select your status, individual or company. Individual or company. Then you put your email, testing@yahoo.com. This is how to open a live account. You click on proceed. It will take you to another page of how to open a live account in Forex market. Another form is open. The form is open. Then you click your first name. Name must be, you can put Abacha Ushe. Abiola. You put your date of birth. Accordingly, your date of birth 01/09/1978. Then you put here 45. So there you put here this Lagos. As you this have to open account, your province is province Lagos, postal code 234, country Nigeria. Then you put your number accordingly. Then you proceed. This is how to open a life account. You proceed. You proceed. You come down to this point. You select your password. You can generate or you can select by yourself. You can generate password. Generate your password. You can leave your open. The standard here means dollar account. Dollar account. You select your server, the appropriate server, maybe United States server. Then look at the leverage again for life account. Then assuming you're starting with 100, $1,000 account, you put 1:100. Then you can Islam, you can select all this area, You come down, leave affiliate code, you click on terms and condition, click open account. This is the process of opening a life account. Click on this point. Now, as you can see, the account number is open. The account is open now. What you have now, this is a live trading account now. This is your login, that's your account number. This is your trader's password. This is your phone password. This is your investor password. This is your PIN code. This is your server, your trading server. Then once this is done, you copy your account, you copy the account, you copy, you copy, you copy, you copy the account, come down to the platform here. You go down to this area to log in the live account. Then you come down here, you paste the account number here. This is the account that you open. You put the account number. Then you go back to this point again. You copy your password. Come down to this point. Then you go to the password here. Select the password. Then don't just log in. Check your server. The server is USA2. You select your server USA2. Why is it USA2? Check very well here. You will see that your server is USA2. This point USA2. USA2 is your server. USA2. This point is USA2. So you come down to this point. Come down to this point and select USA2. Then Then you log in. You log in. The account has logged in now. It has logged. Look at the connection status. It's coming up. This is live account. Abacha Uche Adiola. This is the free deposit bonus given to you. You know, you have not made any deposit yet. Your balance is 0 0. Your balance is just $1 because the new account open now. So new account just open now. Then these are also the same currencies I showed you from the beginning that you can trade. Assuming you want to bring out more currency, you go here. You see other currencies. You see, you go here. You see more currency. Show all. You will see more currencies here. Here you see some currencies in trade. See currencies. You see metal, see gold, see silver. Look at other stocks to trade. See energy, see natural gas, crude oil, and other instruments to trade. You know, you must not trade all the instruments. You trade the one you're familiar with, the one you understand. That is thing. Then, assuming you want to bring up Australia USD, you click on Australia USD. This is Australia. It has entered this point. You zoom the chart, change this. This is the current price of Australia USD. Then, for you to make deposit, I would into your account, to your live account. Let me show you how to make deposit to your live account. Make deposit. Then you scroll down to this point to make deposit. This is deposit option. For quick access to the deposit form, use the form below. You can deposit through credit card, MasterCard, bank wire, Skrill, Paygo, Neteller, Mega Transfer, local transfer in Malaysia, local transfer in Indonesia, local transfer in Africa, in Thailand, local transfer in Africa. Another payment deposit method is also available. This is for live account, assuming you want to go in and make deposit. I believe you must have understood how to set up account and how to set up a demo account and understand a little how the forex trading works from introduction. Okay, let me show us one more thing that all of us need to know. Show us one more thing that all of us need to know. When you come down to this point, you can move to this point. This is our website. You can have a look to copy this website. You can call us on any of this number. For fundamental analysis. This number. Let me give you for fundamental analysis. Bluebase.com. Okay. Hi, this is a place of fundamental analysis. All right, this is where we have to call it a day today. I believe all of us must have learned one or two things about how to set up a forex trading account, how to open a trade, and how to understand charts. Our next class, our next video, and we are going to make available for you fundamentals, the forces that drive the forex market. It's important for us to understand that this is a chart. This is just a chart. There are a lot of things that influences it. What causes the price of the commodity to go up or down? What drives the price of the commodity to go up or down? For example, when we talk about crude oil, it's quite clear that the forces that control crude oil price is one, politics, two, demand and supply. And again, those people living in all these oil producing countries that are very close to fundamental analysis about crude oil, and it's possible for them to understand and they choose crude oil as one of their best commodities to trade. For example, while we are having issues and serious down trade in oil sector is because of the excess supply in oil market. There are a lot of supply in oil market, and when there is excess supply in oil market, definitely the price of that product will fall. Then the OPEC communities and the non-OPEC communities, the oil producing countries, they are trying so hard to make sure that oil market will rebound to back to $60 per barrel. Now these are fundamentals. These are fundamentals. Our next class, we are going to talk much on fundamentals. By that time, I believe you take your time and watch the video, study the video, and be able to set up this platform to this level that we have taught you so far to enable you to understand our next class. Our next class, we're not going to talk much about technical analysis, how to open the market, and all of that. We are going to focus more on market analysis, how to place a trade, how to set up stop loss and target profit, and how to know when to buy and when to sell and which direction to take in the market. Well, thank you so much. My name is Mr. Ushe. In case you want to get in touch with us, just take time, go to our website, and see you next time. Thank you.